Hi again, everyone. Thank you for having me today, and I'm really happy to be here to be presenting my journey into the development of Tunisia R package. My name is Moune Blaid from Tunisia, which is a country in the Maghreb region of North Africa. I'm a data scientist based in Tunis. I'm also an active co-organizer of iLadies Tunis. My journey started when the first wave of coronavirus was on the rise in the beginning of May 2020. So at this time, I have been working from home, like many, I think. I was keeping always myself informed about the daily official updates about deaths and cases. The COVID-19 outbreak at this time has been a major national news story. We were paying more attention to news provided by the Tunisian Ministry of Health, and that was through their daily published press releases. In fact, like it's mentioned in the slide, the images are represented in Arabic, as Arabic is the primary language here in Tunis. And as I'm basically engineer in statistics and data analysis, so I love statistics and I love playing with statistics. I was just wondering, what about extracting more insights from coronavirus data provided by the Tunisian Ministry of Health. At first, I have created an Arshine application tracking the coronavirus spread through Plotly visualization. So I will show you that later. And then one day I came across the COVID-19 R project. What's this project? So the documentation aims to have a single package that so that everyone have access to all the data packages included in the COVID R principal package. I was just wondering about how information on the progression of this epidemic in Tunisia is quite fragmented and is almost never structured in the form of data. So what about consolidating this information and make it available in an open and easily reusable format to everyone who's interested in that? I will show you right now the COVID-19 package that I have created. So I will click on that. Okay, so this is the official repository of this package. In fact, the files here are generated from a template provided by the COVID-19 package. I have just followed this template to create this one, and that really helped me a lot. The data collected is an average of all the sources that I have provided in another repository. I will show you that right now. This is the repository that includes all of the data that I have collected from the sources that I indicated here. For example, from the official page, Facebook page, sorry, of the Tunisian Ministry of Health, as well as the national here Observatory of News and Emerging Diseases in Tunis. This is the official sources that I have resorted to collect this data, and I tried my best to collect this information, which was in image format and in text format. So you just have to press this line of code in R, and then In fact, in the COVID-19 Tunisia, our documentation, they have provided a minimal tidy standard that everyone who's interested in contributing to this project, everyone has to follow. So the idea is to have the data as uniform as possible. So the first column will be the current date, and then here we have the data type. It includes the recovered ones, the new cases, and the deaths. And value, it indicates the value of every data type. So for example, here one indicates that at this date there was a new case in GAFSA. The same case, same thing to the deaths and the recovered ones. So I have also explored this data by creating this plotly graphs. It's about the daily evolution of cases in Tunis from March to September. And then I have also created another Shiny application, but I have explored another data about sex and age to explain more and get more insights about the data of coronavirus. So these data statistics are by the 28th of November. These are the main, so the key numbers of coronavirus cases in Tunis. So the application is in French, because here French is the second language. These are the total number of cases in every government. And these are some plots of using Plotly, so a package. For example, I want you to present the monthly evolution of infected cases, and also according to number of tests. So these are the main. These are the packages that are part of the project. So it's never too late to dig in and maybe to begin the creation of a data package according to your country. And so about my learning path, I have learned about GitHub and Git, and so my knowledge, in fact, about GitHub was so limited. So after working on this project, I'm happy to make my first package, and why not to make it submitted in CRAN. I have to work on that more. And it was also an opportunity to use Git, and I have principally resorted to some great resources like the R packages created, book created by Hadley Wickham. Also the documentation prepared by Rami Crispin, Amanda Rubin, and Gerard Barnes helped me a lot. In fact, these are the main folks who worked on this COVID-19 R project. So thank you for attention.
Yeah, thank you very much. That was really interesting.
Thank you. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Okay, stopping sharing my screen. Okay, fine.
Yeah, I really liked the Shiny application. Looked also really nice and nicely designed with the color blocks. I really liked that.
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe you can put. Did you put the link also to the Shiny app in the Google Doc? Great. Do you know any applications that have used your data set? So do you know anybody that's done something cool with the data in your package?
Yes, in Tunis, there are some people who are resorting to the data because they need that in their work, and so they need to analyze that. So yes, in Tunis, this is the case.
Cool. That's really great.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for sharing.